This is Let's Learn Stitch Artist Together, questions and answers. Question today is how to create brush strokes with Stitch Artist, and here's a possible solution. I'm going to actually create a new item, and I'll pull in an image to work over the top of. This kind of looks like it has brush strokes or has been made with brush strokes, and we can create even more of that look using the satin border. So I'm going to just begin by drawing and turn this into a line. There we go. And if I turn it into a satin border, I can apply properties. You can see there are already some applied here. The ones that are applied that are making it have this kind of stylized brushstroke look are the line style property and the line thickness. So go to line thickness, I can change it so that it's heavier at the other end if I want. Number 2 matches my picture a little bit better. And now that I have that one, I'm going to remain with the satin border and draw again. That's a pretty nice line. And right click to end. And you see as soon as I click to end, it applied the properties from satin border because I remained in satin border. I didn't have to apply satin border separately. I can still go in and change some of the preferences. Although this looks pretty good, I just want to change the nib at the end to rounded. Oops, normal is flat, and rounded is what I want for a brush stroke. That looks pretty good, right? And we can do the same thing here. Satin border, drawing tool, and create our next shape. And maybe adjust the handles to make it a little more rounded. Or this one a little less rounded. And you see it's applying again what I've already chosen. And I can change the pattern, and I think what I like best is more like number 5 for this stroke, where it's thicker in the middle. Number 6 here does something kind of similar. That's an interesting brush stroke. And number 8 could also be used here. Now you can tell I've put these out of order, so let's fix that. We're going to take this satin border and move it to the end so that it covers the tops of the others. I'm going to change that one, the line thickness to that back to 6 or 5. There, 5 fits nicely. I like the look of it. It's not exactly the same as the image on the bottom, but it's working out pretty well. Now you can tell I have some sequencing work to do here because I have these big jumps. That's my question and answer for brush strokes in Stitch Artist.